Before you begin, remove the display stand. Removal. Carefully pry up the inside edges of the display bezel from the top, sides, and bottom to disengage it from the display enclosure. Remove the display bezel. Important: the bottom edge of the display bezel is held in place with an adhesive strip. The strip may separate from the display bezel during its removal. If the adhesive strip is not damaged, it can be reused. If a new display bezel is being installed, dispose of the used adhesive strip. Replacement. Ensure the adhesive strip is properly positioned on the lower edge of the display bezel. Align the edges of the display bezel with the edges of the display enclosure and lower it into position. Apply pressure to the edges of the display bezel to secure it to the display enclosure.